Welcome! In this video, we will cover how Field Central users with Heritage as a parts or material distributor can utilize the Material Usage Report in order to quickly reorder necessary materials. Once you have logged into your Field Central web account, navigate to the main menu and select Reports. Then open the Material Usage Report. Set the report parameters as needed, including selecting Heritage from the Distributor dropdown. Then utilize the report format Heritage Reorder Pad Import CSV and click Report, which will automatically download as a CSV. The file format will follow the example provided, but with the information from your Material Usage Report. If you would like to modify the quantity, you may do so either here, in this document, or once the list has been imported into the Heritage site. Once your document is ready, log into your Heritage account and click Account dropdown on the top right of the page, and then select Shopping List Reorder Pad from the drop-down menu. You will be brought to the My Shopping List by default, where you will click the Import button. Select the CSV document that you have prepared and click Upload to generate the shopping list. Once imported, you are able to adjust the shopping list by selecting all or certain parts to add to your cart. Additionally, you are also able to adjust the quantities or save and close. Remember, if you are using Heritage as a distributor, be sure to take advantage of this time-saving feature.